1, 2, 3, 4.
Hi, guys.
I really can't complain. I mean, I will, but you don't need to hear me do it.
The crucial ligaments, something.
And she is looking worse for the wear. Next, let's talk about whatever the fuck is going on here. So now I've got yet another pin sticking out, middle of the hand. I did not be part of this anymore, but suck it up, pussy. There you go. Keep turning. What are we struggling with? This is what we like to call cross-pod and schnout rested.
So you want a treat? You want a treat? Wait, leave it, leave it! Leave it!